1 gram of sugar for the lollipops per lollipop. No, per 2 lollipops. So I have candy in my mouth. Believe it or not, I have candy in my mouth. 2 things. First, hello. That one thing I ordered. One thing I'm actually part of the ambassador thing. What I'm eating is Smart Sweet. Looking for, well, first of all, candy itself in and of itself, of course, you know, the more that you can avoid, the better. But let's say you can't get around getting candy, like let's say that your kids see other kids having candy and you know, we're going into the holidays and you're like, okay, let me just have some on hand. Smart Sweets is a good option. They have lollipops and stuff. You can find them in different stores, but I also have, I think I have a discount code. If I do, I'll put it in, but I have a link. So you can order it straight from the website. They have lollipops and it's really clean labeled. It's made with fruit and vegetable juice, stevia, and it only has 1 gram of sugar for the lollipops per lollipop. No, per 2 lollipops. So things like the sour melon bites, and that is 3 grams of sugar for this whole bag. Okay, so I'm gonna add that link in the description box. They have a bunch of different ones. They sent me a box for the Halloween season. Okay, I purchased them too for our kids because, you know, you see the kids see the other kids with the candy, and this is a better option. Okay, especially because it's not made with a bunch of crazy who knows what. The other thing I also purchased, which I've always loved Molly Sud stuff, okay? They were great enough to sponsor a couple episodes of my podcast. Thank you so much, team. But I placed an order recently for some laundry stuff because I needed some. And to share because I like to share what are the things that I use, and also to give, you know, just, you don't have to go search around for like what are the natural detergents that are out there. So, you know, I'm giving you the inside stuff. The Molly Suds bag, this is the laundry detergent. This is the peppermint, peppermint scent. It's 120 loads, and this is like $21 for that. I think I came up with like 18 cents a load, which isn't bad. And it is super concentrated, so you don't have to use like a lot of scoops, because some of the places you have to use a couple of scoops. It has all the ingredients right on the bag and everything. I also bought the oxygen whitener. Okay, so this is like a bleach alternative. And I also bought their fabric detergent sheets, which is fabric dryer sheets, which I wanted to try out because I haven't, you know, I usually use the wool balls and some essential oil, but sometimes it just doesn't last. So I bought these all with the purpose of trying to share for other people, for y'all, people who are looking. This girl's in the refrigerator. If you are a dryer sheet user, I will link this as well. You can put it, you can have it. It's 120 sheets in there, which isn't bad, and it's a great option. Again, I'll have this link. The laundry detergent, 120 loads. That's really, really good. And if you sign up on their email list, they have like a code, you know, for your initial order. And the oxygen whitener, okay, chlorine free, color safe, all the things. So that is my like haul for right now, and I hope that it is helpful. Let me know, and see you next time.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.